Hey everyone, it's Gygi. Today I'm going to be making a video that is so highly requested, and is how I make my YouTube videos and the equipment I use. In this video, I will be answering all of your guys' questions, such as what lighting do I use, what audio do I use, what camera do I use, how do I set up. So let's get right into the video. So before anything else, I wanted to share with all of you guys, how do I choose the songs I'm going to be covering. Since right now I am doing covers, and hopefully soon I will be sharing with all of you guys some new original songs, so stay tuned. I usually listen to a lot of songs, and whichever has touched my spirit or has a good message is the song I will be covering. Sometimes y'all request songs, which is always a privilege to do. I don't use an instrumental track because my brother does all my instrumental tracks on guitar, but if you need one, you could find one on YouTube, and you just have to import it onto GarageBand and you are all set. To start off, I'm going to be sharing with you all my audio equipment. So then what I do is I set up my mic and I set it on a mic stand, and my mic is a NT2A rod, and my brother will set up his guitar. My brother uses a electric Fender and a acoustic Martin, and depending on the song we will be covering, he will use either the electric Fender or the acoustic Martin. He will sometimes alternate, or he will sometimes use both of them. We use an interface, which is a Scarlett 3rd generation. So we plug the interface into our mic and our guitar, and the interface into our computer, and it's ready to go. Just select on GarageBand that you will record through it, and you will be able to hear it through the headphones. We use Yamaha headphones. So next, we're going to be talking about camera equipment. The camera I use is a Canon EOS Rebel T7i, and I just use a regular tripod. You can find one on Amazon. I pretty much angle it to where you can see me and my brother, and I center it, and I make sure it's focused and not too bright or too dark. I'm not going to go into much detail because I'm going to be doing 2 more separate videos on how I record my audio and how I edit my videos. So now we're going to be talking about lighting. In the beginning, we would use natural lighting, and we would open up the windows of our living room and we would record there, or we would go to parks and record there. But now we do use lighting equipment. We have the LED slim panel. It is very good, and we can now record in any time of the day. So that's basically all the equipment that I use for every cover. I use GarageBand for the audio, and I use iMovie for the video editing. Some days are really easy and I could record quickly and everything will be fine. Some days are not like that, obviously. Some days I just need a rest and do it the next day. It's different for every cover, and I try my best for you guys and for you to all be blessed. I hope you all enjoyed this video. All the things I mentioned will be in the description box down below. So subscribe, leave me a comment. If you have any questions, give this video a thumbs up, and see you soon. Bye.